Hi guys, this is Will, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. Hope you are well. I just thought I'd do a quick video today because I've had a few people mention the amount of adverts that they're getting on their browser and on their phone and so on like that. And this is down to things that you've accepted as you're browsing the web. You'd be amazed what you click on those cookies, GDPR, everything to do with those things. And there is an absolutely brilliant website, completely free of charge. I believe it's run or backed by the government, and it's called youradchoices.com. That's youradchoices.com, where you can actually deselect all those adverts that you keep seeing on your browser. I'm sure you've all realized that it's a little bit strange. Well, it's not strange, but when you search for something on Google and then you're browsing the web a few days later, and magically those adverts that of something that you went and browsed is showing there as an advert to try and coax you back into that website. And this can be kind of annoying, and this website will help you sort that. And I'm just going to do a quick show of that, and this is called youradchoices.com. And what you want to do is go to control, which is the first link you'll see on the page, and then you've got visit the web choices tool. And what this does, this will actually do a scan of your browser, and if you're using Chrome, this synchronizes across all your devices. So if you're on Android, this will help clear that up as well. There is an app as well called App Choices, but it doesn't seem to work. Now, whether it works for Apple, I'm not sure. Maybe guys, give it a try. But please share this video so everyone else out there can stop being annoyed so much. And as you can see here, this is scanning a browser. This is a browser that I've pulled in from another machine. As you can imagine, I keep mine pretty clean, and it's saying status check complete. You click on continue of that, and all of these here are all things that are bringing into adverts into you, especially like the likes of Facebook here. And you can see a lot of these are already saying no. You can easily, to get rid of all adverts on your browser, simply select all, and that will get rid of the whole lot, which is kind of cool. But you may want to check which ones are showing to you and which ones you want to keep showing to you. So I'm not saying select all, I'm just saying, you know, it's your choice. You can individually check which ones. A lot of them won't make any sense to you because you think, well, I don't even know what this flash talking is or freewheel or whatever. They're usually the sponsors of advertisers. So they're like companies that basically promote many adverts on behalf of other companies, so you may not find out who they are. So in some cases it is just a case of hitting select all and ticking that box, which is exactly what I'm going to do. See the Walt Disney Company there, it's probably Disney Life, which we subscribed to for a short while, and yeah, we no longer do, but they still bring up adverts on the screen. So basically I'm going to go select all now, and then I'm going to hit opt out all, and then that will complete that process. Oh, it certainly should do. As you can see here now, it's making these opt-out requests. This will entirely clean your browser. It won't entirely clean your browser of malware. Please be aware of that. If you have got a problem with malware, give us a shout at CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. We can get that sorted for you as part of a service on your machine. Please share this video. It's very simple, really quick to process. And it will make a very big difference to you. I'll put a link down to the website on there, which is youradchoices.com. You can just go to optout.aboutads.info, and that'll give you a direct link there as well. Hope that's useful to you. Have a wonderful day. There you go. That's just okay. Yeah, that's fine, whatever. It's managed to get rid of 104 of them. Well, that's pretty good. So fantastic. Have a wonderful day. Hope this video finds you well. Visit us at CTA Systems, ctasystems.com, and like I say, please share this video, and I'll see you soon. Hi guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please remember to hit the subscribe button below this. Remember to share with your friends, and of course join us on Facebook, which is facebook.com/CTA Systems, and we'll see you there soon.